When I came to this race, the terrain compared to where I train, for me I would say it's soft, not hard, and that's what made me win.
I was more focused and more determined to win this race because last time I was around number 8, so I was aiming higher to top up my game.
In a bid to ensure that we are sponsoring something that includes everybody, this is a perfect sport to get behind because it cuts across ages, cuts across classes, cuts across geography, and is spot on in terms of our other agendas around living free, health, mental wellness, and to a certain extent, protection of the environment.